Welcome back, everybody. This is part 2 of my dash build. I want to walk you through what I've got. So here is my mock-up of my dash insert. I've started out, I've done a mock-up template with tape. I moved on to a thin sheet of wood. I then moved on to a thin piece of rubber that I'm going to use as a backing plate to give me some cushion between the actual dash plate itself and the painted metal. That way it's not rubbing, scratching, vibrating, anything like that. So there will be a little bit of a spacer there. But what I'm using is I'm going to use one long sheet of Lexan. I've done some test pieces. Obviously, this is one of them, where I'm able to cut the sheet with a saw and stay a little bit outside of my line, and then come back into it and shape it with a sanding belt to get my exact fitment, my exact shape of this piece. It will be bolted in with finish bolts all the way down through. And I have a hole saw coming that will cut my gauge holes, along with some saw blades and some drills that'll cut my pieces here that is yet to come, yet to talk about. But I'm on the right track. Things are looking really good, fitting really nice, cuts really nice. I'm really pleased with it. But it's going to cut down on a little bit of weight instead of using a metal insert piece. But it's a little bit easier to cut, a little bit easier to manipulate by doing it this way. And this is the direction I decided to go. So there's my mock-up piece right there. It does have a trim piece that goes underneath here all the way down. So this will fit, once the final piece is done, this will fit tight all the way up into here, all the way down to the edge of that lip. But that lip will still show to give the look of the actual original dash. So I didn't do away with that. But that's going to be my conversation piece. It will be painted. That's another trick to come yet. I've painted this type of product several times before. Works really well. But how it's going to look, that's another conversation for a later date as well. So stay tuned for the final fitment, the final piece, and I'm excited to see how it looks. Thanks for watching.